not fix the fridge water, your friends cannot come over for the Redskins football game.
If only she knew, the Redskins haven't played football in years.
What did you just say?
Yes, dear. My buddy should be here in 1 hour. Let's get busy and troubleshoot the GE refrigerator water dispenser. I got nothing. Before I do anything else, best to check the water filter for the date installed. The manufacturer says change at around 6 months, and I will sometimes let it slide for a year. If you are on well water, your timing may be different. Okay, we got a new water filter in there. Let's see what happens. Well, clearly it's not the water filter. Let me check one other thing. This may be the problem. When pressure is applied to this plastic stick, it will open a valve for water to pass through to the filter. I am thinking that over time that piece of plastic has bent and needs a little more pressure on it to open the valve. I only have a half an hour before the game starts and don't have any time to get to my local Lowe's. So I will improvise and look for something that will push on the stick and not rust or be toxic. I have an old soap bottle and will cut out a washer that will fit on the top of the filter and should put pressure enough to open the valve. Okay, we've cut out a washer from recyclable plastic. We're just going to slip it over this tube right here. When the water filter is installed, it's going to apply pressure to that valve. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and pop the top back on. And let's give it a try. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, look at the pressure on this thing. Just in time for the Commanders. Happy wife, happy life.